Happy Mother's Day. Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today is Mother's Day, so I have a Mother's Day edition. I'll be speaking all things mothers. Okay? Let's start with a new mother. Just had a child, maybe has a young child, maybe has a few young children. Well, what should that mother do for estate planning for her family? Well, the best thing to have is a guardian appointed inside of a will, right? So that really would be what the young mother should do. Now, how about a middle-aged mother? Well, what's a great concern for mothers? I'm having some trouble today looking at the camera. I think it's this way. I don't know. Well, the thing about mothers is that they want to treat each child equally, right? Fairly. But it doesn't always work out that way. What if children are not equal? What if fair wouldn't actually help them? What if you have one child with steady employment and another child that really needs financial help? Well, the mother might give more to the child that needs financial help. What if you have a child that has special needs? Well, certainly that child has to be planned for and protected in a way that would be different than if you had a child that grew up to be a medical doctor or a nurse or even an NFL football player, right? A pro athlete. They'll have a lot of money. So we have to, what does it come down to? It comes down to a frank conversation. We can handle that dilemma. It involves communication. First, communication with your lawyer, what your needs are, what your thoughts are, what you'd like to accomplish, and then a discussion with your children, right? So what do we do with the elderly mother? Well, we need a different set of planning tools in place. It would involve a power of attorney, advanced directives, open lines of communication as to where the assets are, and what needs to be planned for. That might be beneficiary designations on bank accounts. It might be knowing where the documents are. Where's the life insurance policy? Where is the health insurance card or coverage? What is covered, what's not? What steps have been taken for an estate plan? So that type of conversation, maybe even an open letter. Maybe you don't want to share that with your children early on, but the elderly mother should maybe write them a letter, write a plan. This wouldn't replace a will or other legal documents, but it would be, really it would be a love letter to your children, right? To have your wishes, your desires, and perhaps an explanation as to why you've taken the steps that you have. So, happy Mother's Day. I hope all of the mothers are enjoying themselves and enjoying time with your own mother. Even if we have to be physically distant, let's do some FaceTime, some Skype, some Zoom calls with our own mothers. And let's enjoy our family when we can, at all times. Thank you very much. If you need me, Frank at Frank Bruno Law. Thank you. .com. FrankBrunoLaw.com.